Hello everyone, I am Dhanya T and computer teacher from Reliance Foundation School, Lodhivali. Today I am going to show a sentiment mastermind text analysis adventure program. So by combining the power of NLP, Python programming and PictoBlox user-friendly interface, participants can unravel the emotions and sentiments hidden within the text, making it an educational and enjoyable experience for learners of all ages. So get ready to decode feelings, analyze sentiments, and become a mastermind in the world of text analysis. So this is the program. Sprite's name is Toby, and then text recognition, and this is TR is a variable, and video that we are using flipped mode. Yes. Then handwritten test we are reading. Then it says if it is sad, don't be sad, etc. And if it is happy, I'm more happier. I'm more happy to know, like this messages it will give. So I'm going to run this and will show you. Yes, I think you can see. Yes, don't be sad, be happy. Yes, now I am going to show. I'm more happy to know that you are happy. So I'm going to stop this. So this is the program. Everyone please try. Thank you so much.